How to bypass this PC can't run Windows 11. This PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements to install this version of Windows. Let's start. Open your internet browser. Search for Rufus download. In search results, click on Rufus, create bootable USB drives. Next, download rufus.exe file. Make sure to always download the latest version of Rufus. Wait for the download to finish. When done, open Rufus. Make sure your flash drive is already plugged in your computer. Next, click Select and browse for the Windows 11 ISO file. If you don't have, then you need to download it first. I put the download link in the description below. When done, click Start. This is the important part. To bypass this PC can't run Windows 11, you need to check the remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. You can also check the remove requirement for an online Microsoft account to bypass that part during installation. Check also the disable data collection part. Lastly, the BitLocker automatic device encryption. Next, click OK to proceed. In Rufus warning, make sure you already backed up the files inside your flash drive. If so, then, click OK to continue with the process. Wait for the process to finish. When done, you can try reinstalling again your Windows 11 in your PC and the requirements is now gone. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have a question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.